Hi everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to change the zoom level in Outlook email in 2026. Now this makes your emails easier to read and helps you adjust the text size without changing the system settings. So let's walk through it step by step. First of all, you need to open your Outlook application on your computer, or you can also open it in your web browser. Once you have done that, simply hover over to the left hand side and click on the option of inbox. After selecting the inbox, you will have to first of all uh, click on the email which you want to basically open in the reading pane. After selecting this particular email, simply hover over to the top and look for the option of zoom. So when you click on the option of the zoom, you will see that we have the reset option. When you reset it, it is going to show you the zoom level at 100%. In order to change the zoom level, simply click on this plus icon in order to increase the zoom level. If you want to decrease it, simply click on this minus icon in order to decrease the zoom level of this email. So if you have reduced it too much, like to the 50%, you can reset it anytime and it will show you the 100% zoom level. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.